Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today we will be diving into the world of peer observation in teaching. This highly beneficial practice allows educators to learn from one another, improve their teaching skills, and ultimately enhance student learning. Peer observation plays a crucial role in professional development for teachers. By observing their colleagues in action, educators gain valuable insights into different teaching styles, strategies, and classroom management techniques. This not only helps them reflect on their own practices but also fosters a culture of collaboration and continuous improvement within the school community. The benefits of peer observation are endless. It promotes a growth mindset among teachers, encourages constructive feedback, and creates a supportive learning environment. Additionally, peer observation can lead to increased students' engagement, improved teacher morale, and enhanced job satisfaction. Ultimately, it helps teachers become more effective educators and positively impact students' achievement. There are several methods for conducting peer observations, such as reciprocal observation pairs, group observations, and virtual observations. Each method offers unique opportunities for learning and growth. Reciprocal observation pairs involve two teachers observing each other's classes and providing feedback. Group observations allow multiple teachers to observe a lesson together and engage in collaborative discussions. Virtual observations utilize technology to observe and provide feedback remotely. When engaging in peer observation, it's important to approach the process with an open mind and a willingness to learn. Be respectful for your colleagues' teaching style and offer constructive feedback based on objective observations. Focus on specific aspects of teaching, such as classroom management or instructional strategies, and set clear goals for improvement. Remember, the goal of peer observation is to support one another in becoming the best educators we can do. To illustrate the power of peer observation, let me share a real-life example. In a recent peer observation at our school, a veteran teacher observed a new teacher's lesson and provided constructive feedback on classroom management techniques. The new teacher implemented the suggestions and saw a significant improvement in student behavior and engagement. This collaborative approach to professional development not only benefited the teachers involved but also had a positive impact on students' learning outcomes. In conclusion, peer observation is a valuable tool for professional growth and learning in the teaching profession. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.